I want to begin by saying, Your Excellency, the Second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, karibu sana na Mama Pastor Dorcas. Now today we have a host of MCAs from this county, led by the Majority Leader, Honorable Kanyago. All MCAs present, just stand and wave to the congregation. We have our governors, the host governor, the governor of this county of Nyeri, His Excellency Mutahi Kahiga. Asante sana, with the entirety of your team. I know you have your government present here. We also have the governor of Laikipia, who form part of this diocese, His Excellency Joshua Irongo with us. We also have a host of members of parliament. And because some of them have come from far, allow me to read their names as they greet us as we honor them. We have the Senator of Kajiado County, Honorable Seki. We have Senator Joe Nyutu of we have Senator Dhangwa, Karugo Dhangwa. We have Senator John Methu. We have Honorable Wanjiko Moshina, is it? Kipipiri? We have Honorable Onesimus Ngogoyo, Kajiado North. We have Honorable Joseph Munyoro Kigumo. We have Honorable Wakili Mureu Gatanga. We have Honorable Benjamin Gadiru, Embakasi Central. Honorable James Gakuya, Embakasi North. Honorable John Kagusha Mokuruaine. Honorable Sheni Wainaina Kieni. Honorable Duncan Mudhi Mwangi Madenge, Nyeri Town. Honorable Wainaina, Mount Kenya, Odhaya. Honorable George Kiamburi, Juja. Honorable Joyfrey Wandeto Tetu. Honorable Jane Kihara Naivasha. Honorable Kamande Mwafrika Roysambu. Honorable Mary Wamua Maragwa. Honorable David Waroye, Deputy Governor Nyeri. Honorable James Gichuhi, Speaker Nyeri. Honorable Amos Mwango Starehe. We have our former MPs. We have Honorable Ngonjiri Wambogo. We also have Honorable Kate Warogoro. We have Honorable Gichuki Mugambi Odhaya. Have I left anybody? Yes. He's Dr. Thuo Mathenge. Asanteni sana, asanteni sana. I'm also told Justice Gashoga is here. But in the service, I also saw Honorable Mother Karua. I think she must have left early. We really want to thank you, and we honor you, we cherish you with all our leaders. We are praying for this nation and praying for you. Mungu awabariki sana.